Unit 3, Time Value of Money, Lecture 2, The Mathematics of Time and Money. Before we start, just a reminder that the recommended financial calculator is the HP 10B2 Plus, and it is advised that you familiarize yourself with this calculator and its functions. In any case, whichever calculator you have and you choose, please familiarize yourself with its functions. What is time value and how does it relate to money? Why is it important to know when we receive the money? I mean, if we receive 1 Rand today or 1 Rand tomorrow, are they not the same? Well, actually they're not. And the reason simply is this. If we have 1 Rand today, we can put it in the bank and earn interest, and by tomorrow we will have more than 1 Rand. If we get a Rand tomorrow, it'll only be worth 1 Rand. So the time value has to do with the ability to invest. The timing of when you get the money affects your ability to invest that money and earn a return. We're going to look at some important terminology that is used when talking about the time value of money. We're going to start with present value and future value. Present value refers to an amount of money today or today's value of a future cash flow. So if we have 500 Rand that we're going to get in 1 year's time, then the present value of that 500 Rand refers to what it would be worth today. Future value refers to the value of a sum of money that we have today at some point in the future. So if we have 500 Rand today, then the future value of 500 Rand in 1 year's time is how much that 500 Rand has grown to in a year's time. When we talk about time value of money, we have to talk about a period. That refers to a length of time. So if we're going to get a single sum of money, maybe 500 Rands again, in 5 years' time, then that period is 5 years. But it can be anything, an hour, a day, a week, anything. Interest rate, that is the amount or the compensation that is paid to a lender or saver for the use of the funds. And it is usually expressed as a percentage. So if you deposit your money with the bank, they will say pay you 6% per annum. So that's how much of interest you're going to generate. I'm going to talk a little now about the abbreviations that are used. And this is important because it makes it easier to work with your calculator. So on your calculator, you will see PV, that is referred to as present value. FV is future value. PMT is payment per period. N, either capital or small n, refers to the total number of cash flows or the number of a specific period. And I is the interest rate per period. Timelines. Very simple, very practical.